is going on, everybody? Zeke here from Zeke Fishing Pro, and today I am in the car of Cameron Leet from Cam's Resto Cars. Howdy. We are on the way to Lake Selmac, and we got the kayaks in the back of the truck, kind of jerry-rigged down there. Got the rods and all the gear in the back of the truck, and we're gonna go kayaking at Lake Selmac. It is an absolute scorcher outside. It's like 105, super hot, but we're gonna try to make the best of it at the lake. The heat might have the bass a little bit lethargic, but hopefully by the end of the day, topwater will start to pick up. We're prepared for anything though. We got worms to catch worms. Yeah, worms catch worms. Worms catch bluegill. We got spinners for trout. We got bass lures as well. So we're prepared for anything. We're gonna get to driving. We got only probably about 15 minutes to go, and let's get out on the water and get to fishing. Let's flip it. Flip it right here. Oh, I just scared a fish off. Got a fish already, dude. Bass. Let's go. I told you. Look how he ate that thing, dude. That is how you want them to eat it. Look at this. This, my friends, is how you want them to eat the rebel craw. About a 6-7 inch bass. Pretty. Pound it. Tail slap noggin. Let's get him back. There he goes. Let's go. First fish. Oh, nice, dude. That was awesome. He engulfed that. That was awesome topwater strike. Don't put a hook in, Cameron. I show it to the camera.
Little tiny one.
Nice little 6-inch bass, probably. Yeah. Let him go. There he goes. That's good. You're gonna annihilate it.
I don't know. Oh, right in the
Dude, right there, dude. No, let's go.
that's a nice fish.
Oh, that was awesome.
I'm totally doing top.
That was awesome, dude. Don't shake it. Don't shake it, my boy.
That's a nice fish.
Oh, he hooked himself in the side.
He hooked it. That's the way it's supposed to.
Oh, stop. No, stop. That's my groin. Nice bass. Let's go.
Fish right there, too.
Look at that.
That is a
Nice thick guy. Look at the chunkiness of this bass. Oh, he's got a divot right there. That was an awesome topwater explosion. See ya, my dude. Oh my goodness. That was epic. I'm bumping into you. Apologies. Whoa, but oh, I just got hit. Let's go. Ah! Oh! Jeez, I just slapped my shin and came off. I probably just gave him a hernia. That fish was about the same size as all the other ones we've got. But second blow up today for me. Oh my! That guy came from the moon over Mexico.
Oh my.
Oh, let's go, dude. That's a good one.
That's a good one too.
Reel it fast. Ski him in, dude. Oh, biggest fish of the day. Look how big that guy is. He's got a tummy. Look at that.
That's a nice fish.
Don't put a hook in camera. Show it to the camera. Let's go, long arm him. Oh yeah, giant.
Wow, that's heavy.
Nice, dude.
That's a good fish.
Oh yeah.
You're hard.
Let's go.
Ouch.
What is that, number 10?
Oh, that's all right.
Show it to the camera. Oh, there he goes. Never mind.
Never mind.
No, I'm waiting for me to catch a fish. I do have a bird lure. Oop. Oh, first cast on the bird, dude. It's a really good one. Oh my gosh. First cast on the bird. Dude, this is like a 12-incher. Holy smokeroonie. Oh, he wasn't getting off. He was hooked really good. On the bird, dude. Look at that. This is a good fish, too. I'm gonna get a picture of him for the thumbnail. All right. Let him go. Third fish. There he goes. That was an awesome release. First cast on the bird. Actually, this isn't a bird. This is the crazy crawler. Action on that. Oh, that's a good one. Whoa, what a jump. Oh, that's a good one. Holy cow. That's a good one. That's like a 2-pounder. Holy smokes, that's a giant. Well, not a giant, but a good fish. Holy smokes. Oh, dude. Nice bass, dude.
That's a big fish.
That's probably a 2-pounder.
2.5 pounds. Darn it, I wish I had my scale.
Nice, long arm him. Oh yeah, good bass, dude.
All right, I'm gonna measure him. 14.
14, let's go. Nice bass, dude. Let him go. Oh, he was ready.
On.
Let's go, dude. Fish on. Yeah. First fish in a while on the whopper plopper. Not a bad one. Might be the last fish of the day. Good little largie. I'll let him go. There he goes. That was cool. First fish ever on a whopper plopper. That's cool. Fish on. That's a good one. Let's go. Get him in. Oh, nice one. All of a sudden, it's picked up for me. This one's a little bigger than the last one. Nice. Okay, that was weird. I'm sorry. Well, guys, we're back at shore. That was an absolute epic day of topwater fishing. My best day of topwater fishing of the year so far. What about you?
Yep, I'd say so.
I caught like a 2-pounder. I caught like 4 or 5 really nice ones, and then a bunch of babies mixed in. Cameron was on fire today, so like the video for fishing like that. That was incredible. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the bell so you get notified next time I release a new video. So epic day of topwater fishing. I will see you all in the next one. Make sure to catch them like a pro, and I will see you all in the next video.